Yes, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. So today we are going to talk about suicide. This one is an act of harming yourself in a goal to maybe taking off your life or dying. So somebody can take his life by using of chemicals like herbicides. Also, he can overdose by taking of drugs, maybe overdose of the drugs. Also, somebody can take his life by maybe using of a rope, hanging, this one and that, what you can use to take off your life. The signs and the symptoms of taking off your life, you find that somebody talking about suicide, and also taking of notes, maybe leaving our notes of taking of his life. Also change of mood. You see these people most of the time they are jovial, but if he or changes of the mood, maybe every time you find this one is a sign that shows that somebody is going to take his life. You can find somebody maybe eliminating of friends. Maybe some of the times he stays alone. So that one is a sign showing that somebody is taking maybe taking of his life. So you find that what can lead you to doing suicide, like financial, when you are not financial unstable. So number two, when you have not assessed yourselves into medical services, this one can also lead to suicide. So you find that when maybe you are not financially, you cannot get medical services like the drugs. So you find that due to pain, you want to eliminate maybe your life. And also number three, when you have a challenge in a relationship, so maybe divorce, one partner has left. So when you are in that situation, maybe you can have a suicide attempt. And also mental disorder. You find these people who are maybe mentally depressed or mentally distinct. You might have this person may attempt also suicide, and also repeat in suicide attempts, like suicidal, those maybe more attempts. You can find a person may attempt this one maybe thrice. So if you attempt this severally, so you can have maybe mental disorders. So if you find this situation that they can lead you into suicidal act. So there is those risk groups. The risk groups are the one that may have an attempt of suicide. So a study has been done in Africa that Africans they do suicide more often than the white. This is because they tend not to share the problem with others. So they want to solve maybe their problem themselves. So you find if you are not capable of solving those problems, you find that you can have these attempts of suicide. And also old age more than 65 years. So you might family members might disown you because of age. So you find when you are lonely, you can also find a way of taking your life. And also, a study has been done. Men do suicide than the female because they don't share their problem with others. Female they share, so they might solve the problems themselves. And also another group is refugees, because you maybe you are running from your country to a foreign country. You find that maybe the lifestyle has been maybe more difficult for you, so you might decide to take yourself. So there is also a condition that may lead you to suicidal, like maybe coping with chronic pain, like the people who have cancers. So you find that the pain might also lead you to suicide act, and also anxiety disorders, maybe fear of something, maybe uh, phobia of something. You can also find yourself doing suicide. And also maybe depression, when you are depressed, maybe disowned by relatives, you are depressed, so you can also do suicide. Alcohol intake, ban smoking that interfere with mental, you can also do suicide. So somebody can say, how can you manage or prevent this suicide act? So you can do physiotherapy, maybe come counseling. You can do counseling. So this counseling, you get into work, open yourself, so that you can be, you can, you can solve your problem, or others can help you solve your problem. And also, not watching of these movies, like the people who practice suicide. So in seeing these movies, you can also attempt to do suicide. And also avoiding talking about this act, avoiding threatening others, something like that. You can also prevent suicide. So if you are watching this video for the first time, please like, comment, subscribe, so that we can see other topics. Thank you.